Hey, welcome back to Darkwater. Today I'm joined by Tiger Claw. We're going to be checking out the Vosteed Raccoon Cub. I've already checked out the Vosteed Mini Labrador and it was very impressive. I've heard nothing but good things about the Vosteed Raccoon, and now that they came out with a mini version, we had to try this. Tiger Claw, would you do the honors?
Yeah. Here we go.
Looks like you got a little road rash here.
Yeah. There.
Very attractive color.
Yeah. I like the color of its blade.
Now on Amazon they describe this as rose gold. And on the box here it says copper dune. I would say copper dune is a far better description than rose gold.
Yeah.
Initial observations, very small. It definitely is a mini.
Yeah.
For some reason there's some sort of road rash, or someone used this as a foot scrubber or something, I'm not sure.
Yeah, that is kind of strange.
Very cool how they do their jimping. Being able to choke up with this big generous finger choil on here. I mean, this is a 4-fingered knife in a mini. That's pretty impressive. Do opposite hand here.
I like that it has some good jimping.
Yeah, me too. Get some good sound in here. I like the dual thumb studs, the double areas of jimping. It is a thumb deployment. You can also use it as a front flipper, which I'm okay at. Not the best. Very generous here. It's a deep carry ambi pocket clip, tip up. Rides on cage ceramic ball bearings. Very good lockup. Looking about a 40% lockup on here. So you can see that on the camera. Very nice drop point blade design. It is a flat grind, and the blade steel is 14C28N. And we're gonna do some measurements on it.
Overall length is 5.57 inches. Blade length is 2.34 inches. Handle length is 3.23 inches. Handle thickness 0.41 inches. Blade thickness 0.098 inches. Weight is 2.04 ounces or 58 grams.
Go ahead, Tiger. Check it out.
Okay, so looks very nice. I mean, I love the colors of the black and that like dune bronze or whatever it is.
Yeah, I'd say it's somewhere between gold and bronze.
There.
I feel like you got to preload it a little bit.
Yeah, just a normal hold.
Yep, normal standard hold, and then choke up on the blade. How does that feel?
Nice, actually. It's very good for my hand. Smaller hands. It's nice.
Try it in the stab position.
There we go. You can cut something like this. Very easy.
I just feel like it needs a little lube and it'll be perfect.
It's got some good lockup right here. I like that about knives when they have good lockup.
Yeah, safer that way.
I'm gonna try the... Oh. Oh. Just seems that I cannot front flip. Yep. Nice.
Let's do some size comparisons with other minis. All right, first off, we are going to run or compare it with the Vosteed Mini Labrador. And it is just a tiny bit smaller in length, but a little bit deeper in the width of the blade there and handle.
Yeah.
And then also, we're going to compare that with the Andromeda. Beautiful comparisons. Next up is the QSP Penguin Mini. And the CJRB Mini Pyrite. All very comparable in size. We're going to compare it with a small fixed blade, which is the Kaiser Harpoon Mini, and Civivi's Mini Praxis. I just got done filming a few minutes ago, and during the filming of the initial video, I felt like the bearings on here were a little dry, so I added some KPL, and now this Raccoon Cub fires like a rocket. Like a rocket. We hope you liked checking out the Vosteed Raccoon Cub with us today. Thank you so much for spending time with Darkwater and Tiger Claw. Please give this video a like, leave us a comment down below,
and please subscribe.
Have a good day.
See ya.